Today we're going to be reviewing the 174 Hudson Stack Packable Helmet by Priority Bicycles and Closca. So right away, one of the most interesting features of this helmet is the price. It retails for $80, which is drastically cheaper than most folding helmets, which are well over $100. Obviously, this makes it a lot more accessible, and we're pretty excited about that. It's also very lightweight. When you feel this helmet, it's barely noticeable, the weight of it. You can see there's a lot of lightweight foam over here. And another interesting part about the construction is the back piece has this stretchy elastic, which actually makes it very comfortable. A lot of helmets have more of that turning dial instead, and this is so simple yet really effective. When you fold this up, what's really cool, I'll show you how it folds. You just push it right down. It stays folded. There are helmets on the market where you have to secure it with a strap to keep it folded. No, this is low maintenance. It just, you shake it around, still folded. Also, another low-tech feature of this helmet that actually ends up being pretty awesome is a lot of helmets these days are moving towards magnetic clasps, and this still has the old school buckle. Now, you would think magnetic clasps would be an improvement, but actually you have to align them just so exactly that it can be more of a hassle to use a magnetic clasp instead of a buckle. So we really like this feature. One other interesting thing to note is if you compare it to the Morpher, which is a very common, very popular helmet, they're very different. So you can see, first of all, that the folding mechanism is completely different. This is a circle. This folds in half the other direction like a football. The Closca is a little bit lighter than the Morpher. The style is so different. This, you have more of a commuter to the office, city kind of look. And this looks a little bit more suited for an athletic endeavor. You can see it's more ventilated and whatnot. When you turn it over, if you're looking at the insides of both helmets, the differences you're going to notice are, again, the elastic piece versus the manual adjustment over here that is, a little bit harder to do. When we're folding the Closca, it's just a boom, very quick. When you're folding the Morpher, you have to unhook 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces to fold it down, and it doesn't really stay folded. Although the Morpher does come with a bag, you can put it in a carrying case. Now, while the Morpher is a fantastic helmet, and it is certainly more expensive than the Stack Packable helmet, it seems that they fit different niches. And if you're looking to not spend a lot of money or to have a different style, or you like some of the low-tech options, we really think that the 174 Hudson Stack Packable helmet is a great option. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our interview with Connor from Priority Bicycles 174 Hudson to learn a little bit more about our helmet.